Can you kneel after a knee replacement? So, when I started training, one of the mantras of knee replacement surgery was that patients cannot kneel. It just wasn't allowed. And I was never told why, and I never saw a study that showed that it was a problem. It was just the gospel. And in 2019, I saw a study in the Journal of Arthroplasty by Dr. Richard Berger, and I made a video about this back in 2021, but I thought I would revisit the topic. Now, if you have a knee replacement, and even if you have knee arthritis, kneeling was probably hard and difficult for you. And then if you have surgery of any kind where we make an incision over the front of your knee, it can be sensitive and painful to kneel on the knee. And a lot of patients have a fear that if they kneel on a knee replacement, that they're going to damage the knee replacement. And in my 20 years, I've never seen that happen. I've seen people fall and break the kneecap, but I've never seen someone kneeling on the knee cause damage to the knee or the implant. So this study that came out by Dr. Richard Berger, who's an orthopedic surgeon up in Chicago, had this very simple kneeling protocol. And what he found in the study was that the majority of people, after doing this simple 5-week kneeling protocol, were able to kneel. So it's something that I started sharing with my patients at 3 to 4 months after surgery. So when I'm seeing patients at 3 to 4 months, they are typically done physical therapy, they're off all assisted devices, and their incision is healed and mature. This is not something that I ever recommend to patients doing early when the incision is not healed. But at 3 to 4 months, I would give them this handout and they would get a digital copy sent through the portal. And they would start in this simple 5-week exercise program. So, week one, you are going to kneel on your sofa. And all you're going to do is kneel on your replacement knee 10 minutes, 7 days a week, and you're going to get used to it. Now, I tell patients you might not be able to do 10 minutes. Maybe you can do five, or in the beginning, only two. But try to get on your knees on a soft sofa and put pressure on your knees because you probably are doing this already getting in and out of bed. You're just going to do it now for a longer period of time. If you can get through week one, you're going to then take a sofa cushion and you're going to put it on the floor and you're going to get down and you're going to kneel on the floor. Now, if you're older and have trouble getting off the floor, you want to make sure that someone's home with you to help you off the floor. But kneeling on the sofa cushion on the floor for 10 minutes every day for a week is week two. Week three is you're either going to find if you have a very plush rug or a thin pillow, you're going to kneel on that surface 10 minutes a day for the next 7 days. Week four, you're going to get a either super thin pillow or a thin rug, or I even tell people like a yoga mat works as a good tool for the week four protocol. And you're going to kneel on that 10 minutes, 7 days in a row. Week five, and this is where not everybody gets to this point, but week five is going to be kneeling on a hard floor. So, whether or not you have a hard floor in your house or outside, you're going to find something where it's a hard floor and you're going to try kneeling on it. And again, if you can't get through 10 minutes, do 5 minutes or two, or some people do a few minutes in the morning and a few minutes in the evening, however you want to break it up. But what a lot of people find is once they desensitize the skin and the scar, and sometimes this even improves their range of motion a little bit. They get a little bit more flexibility that most patients are happily surprised that they are able to kneel after going through this 5-week protocol. I will put a link to the article in the show notes if you want to check that out. But I hope that you've found this idea of this kneeling protocol after total knee replacement helpful. And if you've used it and it was successful, leave us a note in the show notes. Until next time, I'm Adam Rosen. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.